Hey, what's up guys? My name is Felipe and I own one of the most successful cold calling companies in the United States. We help real estate investors find off-market opportunities even in this market. Are you a burst strategy, flipper, wholesaler, even a realtor looking for more leads, looking to grow your business without spending thousands of dollars a month? REI Call Center charges $1,099 for a professional cold caller. But what if I told you that you don't need any of this? Not even a cold caller, because you can do it by yourself. Here's the sauce. Go to propstream.com, pull a motivated sellers list. So someone with 50% more equity, maybe tired landlords who've owned their property for more than 15 years. You can pull any type of motivated list. Get creative. You're then gonna go over to skipbetter.com. You're gonna skip trace that list that you get. You're gonna call them, spend 3, maybe 4 hours a day calling and see who wants to sell you their property. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to asana.com, it's a free CRM, and you're gonna put everyone who says yes. You're then gonna follow up with them the day you tell them you're gonna follow up, and you're gonna close some opportunities. Now, that's gonna do about 30 to 35 hours a month extra on top of what you're already doing. If you have the time to do that, go for it. Now, unfortunately, I didn't. So what I did was I hired a cold caller for $1,099 a month over at REI Call Center, and I shaved off 30 hours. Now, how did I make that decision? Is 30 hours a month worth more to you than $1,000? If it is, hire a cold caller. If it's not, then do it yourself. And that is the secret sauce. Let us know how we can help you.